Hello, thanks for being here with me at the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree for your weekly third eye chakra reading for the collective. The card on the left is for the third eye chakra itself, and then the card on the right is representing a message that wants to come through from the Galactic chakra. Powerful set of cards again. I feel like every set this week has been an absolute winner. So this chakra is dealing with your psychic abilities, your insights, your intellect to a certain degree, your ability to perceive reality, and really have an inner knowing about things. Someone's saying understanding right now. Okay, so I feel like this is a very active time for you in this area. That you've been probably exploring some things here and just allowing yourself to sort of move freely in this area. And you've been kind of packing some things in to where it's starting to feel perhaps even claustrophobic, and things that you've been examining are starting to die away, and new things are coming in, and it's dense, it's very full of activity. And you're seeing things that are beautiful, like you know how to take a concept and an insight and see it in a way that finds its true, its best form, which is really an interesting thing to do. So that it's that allowing things to flow in, but having that sort of hand in it to where you're kind of commanding information, and you're able to maybe even put insights together so that there's these beautiful cohesive concepts that you're designing with what you're perceiving. I do get a sense that there's just so much activity though that some of it may be getting lost. So you may want to consider how you can preserve that a little bit more, or if that's even possible, But the amount of energy here it's magnificent. So I'm just getting a little question off of if there's anything that can be done to really hold on to all of it, or if there's maybe more of a filter that needs to happen. So I think I'm getting here that you may, if not already, you may be starting to open up a little bit more, if not fully, to other energies that can influence you from other realms that are in your best interest, that are meant to be there for you, meant to be in partnership with you, to be as a functioning unit with you. And this may be an experience, if this does happen, that feels very good. The type of energy, the type of light that comes through in connecting in this way has the potential to really, it is such a different frequency, it has such a different feel to it, that you may become, I almost wanted to say addicted to the light, but you may start going in this direction a little bit more. You may start understanding how good this feels, and really wanting to have this connection. this other way of dealing with energy feels a little bit more 3D, a little bit more mundane and of the everyday and just information overload, where this feels, more enlightening. So you may be looking at these ways of processing information and these sources of information and beginning to understand, the lighter things, the higher frequencies, and then the more denser things, and maybe if there's space for both, or if you want to integrate them, or if you're just going to kind of switch over to one over the other. I don't see anything wrong with either of them. So it feels like you're breaking new ground though, or you're understanding that there's two different modes of functioning here at least. And maybe you've been doing this for, a while, or you've been in one over the other, but I definitely feel like you're going to be made aware of what it's like to think in one way and what it's like to perceive in another way this week. So I hope this was helpful. Tomorrow I will do the crown chakra reading, so if you can join me for that, please do. Until then, take care and many blessings.